Here is a wonderful 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLC. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this Mercedes GLC 300, the sensuously styled SUV that's tailored to fit your lifestyle and designed to exceed your expectations for excellence. Versatility and assertive performance blend with fine materials and the latest tech to create a truly delightful driving experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, sunroof, satellite radio, tire pressure monitoring system, power driver's seat, dual zone AC, vehicle anti-theft system, rain sensing wipers, leather steering wheel. Feel the thrill of excellence at your fingertips when you're behind the wheel of this GLC 300. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.